Hey everyone, it's Brianna with WTI, and if you are looking for an adorable tea kettle to make your kitchen even cuter, then I highly recommend you check out this tea kettle by YTCYKJ.
This is a beautiful stainless steel enamel coated teapot. I have it in the color green and it has these nice faux wood accents as well, but it works great. So this is a really nice size for my husband and I. The color matches my mint kitchen perfectly and it has a really tight fit with the lid and the pour nozzle, so it's gonna heat up really quickly and you're gonna get that nice whistle. Now I have a gas stove, so highly recommend to protect the enamel, use it on the low flame. So when you're using the high flame, you could damage or discolor the enamel coating. So use it with a lower flame and you have a nice little whistle that's loud enough to hear in another room. And it is just a gorgeous kettle that is gonna make tea time even more elegant. So since it's 2.6 quarts, you have enough even to entertain with friends and family. So I highly recommend checking out this tea kettle. It has been great for me and I love it.
But hey, that's just my point of view.